Can't wait to see you guys at the CBT Centennial Showcase to show you the latest in mechatronics and linear motion.
We'll have 3 fully functional interactive demos. They feature the latest and greatest in Allen Bradley's sensors, including light curtains and area scanners, as well as motor circuit protectors. Come experience it for yourself.
You'll have the chance to chat with one of our material handling experts.
You'll see IP69 bearings, blue belts, and other hygienically designed products.
You'll see the latest in industrial robotic solutions.
So we're going to be featuring some smart lighting and some lighting control systems, but also a laser projection technology that you're not going to want to miss.
And talk about the new CBT Mod Center used to modify electrical enclosures.
We'll be featuring new technologies within the mechanical division. We're focusing in on remote monitoring.
With all the security breaches happening around the world, I'm sure it's got you thinking. Let's chat about your facility cybersecurity needs at our upcoming Centennial Showcase.
We've been working all year to bring you the latest and greatest product, technology, and solutions to the in-person showcase. And here's the best part. You'll have the opportunity to chat with over 100 CBT and supplier partner experts who specialize in a multitude of industries, services, and solutions. So get registered to join us on September 30th at the Savannah Center in Westchester. We've got the product, technology, solutions, and most importantly, the experts to help you overcome your challenges and take your business to the next level. And we can't wait to share it with you.